Hey babes, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe because you're going to love it here. So today we are doing a closure quick weave on my client. We did a blonde closure quick weave. I already braided her down and also molded her cap down. If you guys need a more detailed steps on that, just let me know down in the comments. But I'm basically placing her tracks. Those first two tracks, I cut those short ones and I put them going towards her face. That is important. Your first two tracks, you want to place them going towards the face. After that, we are placing the tracks in a U shape, going up the head all the way up to the top. So you're literally just doing a U, doing it all the way up to the top. It's that simple, you guys. Alright, and as I'm closing up on her quick weave portion, I did go ahead and cut off that excess cap that was covering the closure, just so I can see how much space I have left, and then also to make sure I'm not gluing the tracks on her closure. So you want to go ahead and close that one up. After I'm done gluing all of her tracks in, I do go in and prep her skin to get that lace melted down. I use alcohol and a skin guard. After that, I go in with 4 layers of lace glue, allowing each layer to dry completely. And then I lay that lace down into that glue, and I'll place a lace band on to melt that lace in while I proceed to style and blow dry her hair. Now that that 4th layer has dried completely, I'm going in and laying that lace right into that glue line, and then I'm going to place a elastic band on that lace to melt it in. After that, we are going to go in and start styling her hair while that lace is being melted. I did go in and layered her hair and did some curls. You guys will see in a second. Alright, and after I finished layering her, I went in and cut that excess lace off and then applied a melting spray and put the elastic band right back on, and then proceeded with curling and styling her hair, all while that lace is still being melted. Where'd you go? Now you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, they miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it, that's all. Take you
flowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you. Say it to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The time you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having the best take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having this place take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having this place take you there, take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you. Say it to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The time you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having it.
Alright, now that those curls are cooled down, we are now going to take them out and comb them out, y'all. And this is my favorite part. You pretty much comb it out how you like it, and you pretty much just play with the hair, get it to where you want it to sit, all of the things. And you guys, this is how you do a closure quick weave. I hope this has answered all of your questions. I hope that you are able to execute a closure quick weave from this video. If you have any other questions, please let me know down in the comments. Anything you guys want to see more of or go more into detail about, let me know down in the comments because I am here to help y'all. But you already know, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to be posting every week, and I will see y'all there. Love you. Bye.